Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with the drawing for my Valentine um, giveaway. I had the video was up last week. I'm a little late on pulling the name because I am always late. So just to remind you, it was two winners, first and second place winner. The first winner wins a waffle flower grip mat, which I have here. And then the second winner wins this Spellbinders 4-petal Sweet Day Flower stamp set. So super cute. This is what you can stamp out with it. And it actually does have some really pretty sentiments. So you just had to list in the video below your favorite love song. So I got some really cool answers. I want to share those with you. Angela Serendipity Arts, she said Shoot the Moon by Nora Jones. Crystal Crafts had I Would Always Love You by Dolly Parton. Cindy N had Unchained Melanie by the Righteous Brothers. Rita Ventura had Always and Ever and Forever by Luther Vandross. Gina Loves to Craft had Elderwise, I think that's how you say it, Richard Rogers. Bart Beckett had Love Me Tender by Elvis. Mo's Creation had Only for the Night by Luther Vandross. Kathy Walters had Something Beautiful by Tim Halpin. And let's see, Crafty Butterfly Ferris had Back at One by Brian McKnight. Nadia C said Endless Love by Lionel Richie and Diana Ross. Cecilia's Cottage had Can't Help Falling in Love by Elvis or Chris Isaac. And Marissa Alvarez, Fun Size Crafter, had I'll Be Loving You, New Kids on the Block. So this was super fun for me because I did go back and listen to each of these songs while I was working. It was nice to hear some of the oldies and also to hear those that I had never heard before. So thank you all for joining in this fun. We had 12 entries. So let's use the random picker wheel. And we're going to draw first for the Spellbinders stamp set. And we're going to spin. And the winner is number 2. Yay! And that's Angela Serendipity Arts, Shoot the Moon by Nora Jones. What's her song choice? So Angela, be sure to send me a message with your address and I can get that stamp set out to you. So we're going to remove Angela. And now we'll spin for the waffle flower grip mat. Let's go. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. And that winner is number 7. And number 7 is Mo Creations. That's Melissa for her song choice Only for the Night by Luther Vandross. So I want to thank you guys for joining in this drawing. I had a lot of fun, like I said, listening to your songs. And I am so glad that I have the opportunity to share some awesome crafty items with you. So be sure, Angela, to email me your mailing address. And Melissa, be sure to email me your mailing address so I can get your winnings out to you. Thank you guys for participating and enjoying the fun. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.